GH Dungeons is based on an old school game called Rogue, which was created in the 1980s. Back in those days, video games were constrained to computer terminals, and I was thinking of a concrete way to represent a repository on the command line, and just the first thing that sprang to mind was it should be a dungeon. But I told Copilot I wanted to create a roguelike game. What it's doing in the background there, it's taking a look at the repo, it's taking a look at the last SHA, it's generated a dungeon using this binary space partitioning algorithm, and now you're free to explore it. The grayed out text, that's literally just some code from the repository itself. I should encounter zombies and scope creeps. As I play through, on most levels there's a merge conflict hidden, kind of like a trap. You can add a pre-commit hook so that your code won't actually be committed unless you go into GH Dungeons and complete 5 levels. If you die, then your code will be lost forever. As you can imagine, that is a horrible idea, don't ever do that. Using GitHub Copilot CLI, I'm able to get more creative and do more things. It was like having a party of NPCs available to do whatever I wanted them to do. If you find yourself with some free time and you have a killer idea or just there's an itch you've been wanting to scratch for a long time, it's super easy to load up GitHub Copilot CLI. I'm Lee, I'm a program manager and now a dungeon master.